Hi guys, you are welcome to my channel where you learn everything you need to know about growing your business product or services online. We make new videos on tips and tricks every week, and if you are new to this channel, you have really missed a lot, but it's not too late to hit on the subscribe button, enable the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future video. Okay, in today's video, I will show you how to scrape or extract a list from any country using a simple keyword such as profession or job title, individual names and domain names with quotation marks. I am using a registered extractor. Trial version may not really work for you. So you can find the link in the description below this video. Okay. The first thing we are going to be doing here once you open the software is to enter a keyword or a URL that you are going to be searching your emails from. Okay. Now the first one we are going to use is the profession or a job title. Okay. Now let's use doctor for a start, and the country region, you have to select a particular country if you are searching from, if you need emails from a particular country. But let's try it searching from all the countries using doctor for a start to see what we get. Okay, now you click on search. Once you click on the search, you wait a little bit while it's searching. You see the emails popping up. Okay, and you can see the record at the top. Okay, you can see the record here. Okay, these are the records, and using this particular function or style is not as fast as some other keywords. Okay, so we are just going to stop this and try a different way of searching. Okay, so let's go to a different one. We're just going to stop this. Let's just stop this. Click on stop, then clear emails. Close this. Clear the emails. Now let's use a different style. Let's say we want to search from a different country like USA or China. Let's choose China. Okay, now we just choose China. Let's see, search for doctor for instance. So what you are going to be getting in this other way of searching is doctors who are from China. Okay, so it will continue in this manner until it gets to the end, and you get a lot of emails, fresh emails that you can use to do your marketing. Okay, now I talked about using a particular like a profession or a job title. That's what we're just using. Maybe let's stop this and use a different name. Okay, just close this, then clear your. Okay, now let's select a different country, United States. Now I'm going to paste this. What this really implies is you are looking for Jack Powell, okay, who is an accountant. It could be any Jack Powell who is an accountant, okay, and who uses either a Gmail, a Yahoo Mail, Outlook, AOL, or Hotmail. Okay, now this you must have to add the quotation marks to any of those. Like the profession, this accountant, you need to have an opening quotation mark and a close quotation mark at the end. Then the same thing applicable to the domain name, which is Gmail, the Yahoo Mail, and the Outlook, AOL, and Hotmail. Okay, this is quite very fast and reliable way to get your leads faster. Okay, so once you gotten this right, You can use any name anyway, you can use any profession and so on. So now you just go ahead and click on the search button. Okay, this is going to be very fast. In a few minutes you must have gotten 1,000, 5,000, 20,000, depending on your the name you are using and the profession you choose. Okay, now you can see we have gotten 3,796. We've just got to 6,000 already. So that is how it goes, so fast and so reliable. Okay, now what you do after you must have completed this, you just click on the export email to test. Now you change the name of this particular, you just save it with a name. You can use USA Powell, or you can just use, okay, let's say Powell email. Okay, just as simple as that. You just